Number 5. Welcome to my video about the boosted backseat car safe. With this product, parents can ensure their children are safe and secure while riding in the car. This car safe is designed to fit in the back seat of most vehicles, providing a secure place for children to store their belongings. The car safe is made from durable materials and is designed to be lightweight and easy to store. It features 2 adjustable straps that secure it in place and a padlock. The boosted backseat car safe is perfect for storing phones, toys, snacks, and other items. It also has a pocket on the side for easy access to smaller items. This car safe is also great for keeping kids in their seats, as it is designed to fit snugly around the back of the seat. The boosted backseat car safe can provide parents with peace of mind, as it is designed to keep children safe and secure while on the road. The adjustable straps also make it easy to adjust the car safe if your child grows or if you are using it in different cars. This car safe is perfect for parent. Number 4. Introducing the BlackVue DR750 Touch IR LTE Dashcam, the perfect choice for worry-free driving. This dashcam is designed to keep you and your vehicle safe through its dual-channel recording capabilities, which captures both front and rear view recordings in full HD 1080p. The front camera of the DR750 Touch IR LTE also features Sony Starvis sensors for clearer nighttime imaging. In addition, the dashcam has advanced infrared night vision, which records clearly at night and in low light. The DR750 Touch IR LTE is LTE compatible, allowing you to access your dashcam's recordings and settings remotely with just one touch. The dashcam also comes with BlackVue over the cloud, which allows you to stay connected with your vehicle from anywhere, anytime. With its advanced motion and impact sensor, the DR750 Touch IR LTE is equipped with advanced safety features such as lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system, and parking mode. With the DR750 Touch IR LTE, you can have peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is protected. Number 3. Organizing your car has never been easier. With these AstroAI car hooks, you'll never have to worry about where to store your purses and bags again. These hooks are designed to fit onto almost any headrest post, in both cars and SUVs. The hook is made of superior ABS plastic and features a heavy-duty metal hook to provide a secure hold. The hook is lightweight and easy to install, with no tools necessary. Each hook has a maximum weight capacity of 6.6 pounds and can be used to hang a variety of items such as purses, bags, umbrellas, coats, grocery bags, and much more. The hooks can be rotated 360 degrees for easy access and are designed to stay in place. The AstroAI car hooks are perfect for anyone who needs a convenient and organized place to store their items in the car. They come in a set of 2, so you can hang more than one item. Say goodbye to clutter and mess in your car and get organized with the AstroAI car hooks. With a 2-pack of hooks, you'll be able to hang all of your bags and purses in one easy and convenient place. Get yours today. Number 2. This video looks at the Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera. It is the perfect accessory for your vehicle and is designed to help make reversing and parking much easier and safer. The Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera attaches to the license plate holder of your car and is powered by your vehicle's 12 volts power source. This camera has an HD resolution of 720p and an ultra-wide viewing angle of 170 degrees. It comes with 4 infrared lights for night vision. WIC. The backup camera also has a wireless range of up to 70 feet, so you can easily see what is behind your car even when you are far away from it. This camera also comes with a built-in microphone, allowing you to hear what is going on outside your vehicle. The Type S license plate frame HD wireless backup camera also has an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions. This camera is also designed to be easy to install, with no special tools or wiring required. In this video, you will learn more about. Number 1. The iKamper Skycamp Mini Rooftop Tent is the perfect way to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. This tent easily mounts to the roof of your car, truck, or SUV, and takes only minutes to set up. With its spacious interior, you can comfortably fit up to 4 adults and have plenty of space to store your gear and supplies. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to install and transport, so you can take your camping experience wherever you go. The Skycamp Mini features a strong, waterproof ripstop canvas material, keeping you dry and warm in any weather conditions. Its robust aluminum frame and stainless steel telescopic ladder offer great stability and strength, while the durable, waterproof anti-condensation match keeps you comfortable. And the Skycamp Mini also offers plenty of convenience features to keep you comfortable and organized. Inside, you'll find 2 large side pockets for storage, a gear loft for keeping your belongings organized and easy to access, and a built-in mattress for a good night's sleep. Additionally, the tent